Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I think the last time that I uploaded a video was like August. Lots been going on since then. Been crazy busy trying to keep up with orders, not only on Etsy but actually like my son's school. They had asked me to make them 350 t-shirts, and I just completed that over this past weekend. So super busy, which I'm truly grateful for. A lot of things going on. I have opened up a new Etsy shop, so that's something that's new that I can say. I also have a company that I am doing a collaboration with. This video is not going to be on that, but I will have another video that I have to film in order to show you guys what I got. And then I also have another video that I have to make in regards to like just giving you guys advice as to like whether Etsy is what you should do if you're looking to start like a side hustle, I would call it, for like doing t-shirts or whatever it is that you're wanting to do. There's other options out there as far as like print on demand companies. So I will do another video more in detail with that, with my opinion. Of course, it's not like I'm an expert or anything, but just giving my take on it. I did have someone that asked me to do that because they wanted to know, you know, whether they should do Etsy or go on their own and do print on demand, or, you know, what they should do. So I can just show like the pros and cons for different options that you may have. But in today's video, I'm just gonna work on some orders. Since I haven't filmed in a while, I figured while I'm doing my orders, trying to catch up, I might as well film something so you guys can see. So right now you'll just see me. I'll probably speed this process up just so I can get started, but I'll be back in a few just so I can tune back in and just let you guys know what I'm doing. If you guys haven't noticed, I do have a new desk. I'm trying to be a little more organized with my workspace. I don't have my ring light on just because I have so many things plugged in right now. I don't want a power outage to go on, so I figured I will. Let me push it back this way, it's probably a better lighting. But yeah, so that's my little workspace as far as where I do like my printouts when I am processing orders, and I still have my shirts and onesies on the bed like normal, and then I have my printer here. So yeah, so I'll be back. So this is one of my Thanksgiving designs. So it's like a custom name. I hate that the lighting is so dark, but yeah. There's that. show you guys, this is all the orders that I have to do today. So quite a few. I think there's about probably 40, 45, I'm not sure, but something like that. I didn't even count, to tell you the truth. But that's what I'm doing. Back in a little while when I'm a little further being done, closer to being done, because I just have a lot going on, so I don't want the video to be too long because I do want to make sure I upload it, you know, sometime either by tonight or tomorrow, so you guys have at least the video to watch. So I'll be back. All right, guys, I came back. I've done quite a few. Don't have that many left, but I already have this bin pretty much full. I have to go run and pick up my kids from school, and then I'll be back to come and finish those orders. So once I get back, I will continue the orders and then run to the post office. So, all right guys, so I'm back from picking them up from school. I've already started printing, so that is what I'm doing now. So I'll probably speed this up so you guys can see me continue working, and I'll be back when I am done. Change the Platen. I'm done with my smaller sizes, so I'm gonna change to the bigger one. So that's what I'm doing now. And before I change my Platen and put the new one on, I like to lower the height level back to 0. I do that because every Platen is different as far as height goes and material, so it will change. It's actually, there's the whole bin filled. So now I'm gonna head to the post office and get those mailed out. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry if it was all over the place. I was just wanting to film something since I haven't been on here in a while. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit the notification bell so you are aware of whenever I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next one.